Whatsoever you do to the least of my brethren, you do unto me. In Mahad Tehsil of Raigad district, lashing rains all of Thursday the 22nd of July resulted in devastating flooding of the city and the nearby villages that are on the banks of the river Savitri. The force of the river brought down houses in various villages and left residents in the city marooned in 10 to 15 feet of water and cut off from the world with no power and no mobile network. Among the worst affected villages in Mahad was Talye, where a landslide on Thursday killed over 40 people. The Archdiocese of Bombay Disaster Management Team, under the guidance of His Eminence Oswald Cardinal Gracious, swung into action. The local church in Mahad, St. Francis Xavier Church, and the trust associated with it, Jan Kalyan Trust, was the first point of contact and was key to the response. The Jan Kalyan Trust itself was underwater of about 15 feet, and as soon as the water receded, Fathers Sunil, Praveen and Brother Ivan had the premises cleaned up with the help of the local community. And by Friday, the 23rd of July night, after serving the city, a distress call seeking assistance was made.
महाड म्हटलं म्हणजे पूर आलाच आणि महाडची जनता त्यापासून माहिती रूप आहे की पावसाळ्यामध्ये या अडचणीला सामोरं जावंच लागेल. परंतु यंदाचा जो महापूर आला तो एक आगला वेगळा अनुभव होता आणि म्हणूनच या पुरानं महाडमध्ये संपूर्ण शहर आणि नदीच्या आजूबाजूच्या सर्व गावांना उद्ध्वस्तच करून टाकलं. मी स्वतः या पुरामध्ये अडकल्यामुळे 2 दिवस बाहेर राहिला. लाईट नाही, इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा प्रॉब्लेम, मोबाईल बरोबर कॉन्टॅक्ट होत नाही. तरी तिसऱ्या दिवशी जेव्हा मी घरात प्रवेश करणार तर घरात पाहतो तर संपूर्ण चिखल आणि सापांची साप तर विचारूच नका. महाडमध्ये गेल्यानंतर जो प्रकार पाहिला तर खूप वाईट वाटलं. आपण मुंबईमध्ये पाहतो की झोपडपट्टीमध्ये कसली खाऊची किंवा सामानाची गाडी आली की जशी झुंबट पडते, अगदी त्या प्रकारचा अनुभव सर्वप्रथम महाडमध्ये मला आला. महाडमध्ये भिकारी नाहीत, परंतु या पुरानं उद्ध्वस्त केल्यामुळे जेव्हा आम्ही कुठल्याही पाण्याची किंवा खाण्याची गाडी घेऊन जात होतो तेव्हा लोकांची जी तहान आणि भूक होती ती भागविण्यासाठी आम्ही कमी पडत होतो. म्हणूनच फादर प्रवीण, आमची टीम, ब्रदर आयवन आणि मी लगेच निर्णय घेतला की कम्युनिटी मील आपण चालू करूया. दररोज 1000 ते 1200 लोकांना जेवण पुरवावं लागत होतं. आजच्या घडीला देखील आज आम्ही 500 लोकांचं जेवण देत आहोत. ही जेवणाची आणि पाण्याची जरी आम्ही पुरवठा पूर्ण करू शकलो नाही, परंतु जे सर्वसामान्य होते त्यांनी त्यांची घरं सावरली आणि आम्ही रेशन वाटपाला सुरुवात केली. आपल्या मुंबई सरधर्म प्रांतातील अनेक चर्चेसने भरपूर काही आम्हाला रेशन दिलेलं आहे. वसईमधून देखील मिळालेलं आहे आणि आजच्या घडीला जवळजवळ आम्ही 8000 लोकांना रेशन दिलेलं आहे. आजपर्यंत आम्ही 10,000हून जास्त लोकांना जेवणाची सोय करून दिलेली आहे आणि यापुढे देखील आम्ही ती कंटिन्यू करणार.
The generosity of the people in the church in Mumbai resulted in 6 truckloads with 46 tons of relief material and water reaching Mahad on the 27th of July morning. In the meanwhile, from the 25th of July onwards, cooked meals for over 1,000 people a day were being served from the center. This cooked meals and distribution has been going on since the commencement of relief work, and the number of cooked meals fluctuate on the needs of the people. The next step of the relief process began as soon as people started returning to their homes. They were in need of ration supplies. Through a collaborative approach with the government machinery, ration packets that could sustain a family for a month were distributed to the needy. The Center of Social Action, which is the social outreach wing of the Archdiocese of Bombay, in collaboration with the priests and the sisters of Raigad, had been responding in a systematic way to the needs of the people. All relief is in coordination with the local government, the Tehsildar, the Prant, and the city's mayor. The Center of Social Action has supplied bed sheets and brand new clothes as well as feminine hygiene products for those in need. In the course of surveying the area and creating a needs assessment report, the team in Mahad have tried to respond to the cries of help and are working closely with the government machinery to reach out to those in need. A medical camp conducted through the good offices of Holy Family Hospital and Holy Spirit Hospital are providing the people with much needed medical relief. All this was done at the request of the Tehsildar. The request for trauma counselors has also been taken up by the Archdiocese, and the team headed by Father Godfrey of the Prafula Counseling Center will be residing in Mahad to offer assistance to the local government officials at the site of the landslide. The Joseph Cardine Technical School has also responded by sending a team of technical assistants to see and assess the needs of the people. In the meanwhile, a few houses that were washed away were provided with materials to rebuild their shelter. Every day, we hear stories of pain and resilience in the face of tremendous difficulties.
In this shop, there was a couple which was stuck. As the water level started rising, they called out the first floor people, sent a rope down, and they managed to pull them up on it.
Stories of hope, of the community coming together to help each other and rebuild lives. This is the story of Sebastian, one of the original parishioners of St. Francis Xavier Church, who had his life totally disrupted by the flood. Not only was his residence destroyed by the flood waters, but also his business. Here is his story.
के ऊपर पानी था, 2 फुट पानी था ऊपर तक, और पूरा ऊपर सब जो स्टॉक था पूरा भीग गए।
क्या स्टॉक था आपके पास?
मेरे पास फैमिली का है, युवा का है, और डॉग्स का है,
स्टेशनरी का?
स्टेशनरी है, पूरा स्टेशनरी और जेरोक्स। मेरा जेरोक्स है, 3 जेरोक्स मशीन है, प्रिंटर है, लैपटॉप है, और सब इसका सामान है पूरा स्टेशनरी का।
पूरा स्टेशनरी सामान तो खराब हो गया?
हाँ, पूरा 3 जेरोक्स में।
और एक नया वाला था या?
एक नया वाला था, अभी 3 महीने पहले लिया था। मेरे आके नीचे से गया, तब मेरे पास इतना ही पानी था, तो निकल गया। मैं सब साफ सफाई करके घर पे गया, पानी पहला आया तो इतना ही था। साफ सफाई सब करके मैं घर पे गया तो इसमें ऐसा पानी इतना था मेरे को, और जब घर पे गया तो इतना था पानी पूरा।
और बाद में कितना हो गया?
बाद में पूरा घर इसके ऊपर हो गया।
तो घर पे भी ऐसे नुकसान हो गया?
हाँ, घर पे पूरा
आप कितना
साल तक गया पानी, फैन के ऊपर गया पानी।
आप कितना साल में बाद में रहते?
यहाँ पे मैं, मेरे डैडी आए 64 में,
तो पहले ऐसे था कभी?
कभी नहीं।
तो 2005 जो था
वो इतना काउंटर पर था, इतना ही पानी था, 2 फीट था।
Yeah, which was there in the cash counter. Some notes too.
मैं बाकी खाली गेला तर गेला।
Sebastian is just one of the many stories we have encountered in the documentation of this report. In a nearby village, we visited a few more houses that the raging waters of an angry river dropped walls, flattened houses, washed away vehicles. The residents and the villagers all coming together to help. Their plea that those in need should get the assistance from the local authorities to rebuild their homes and their lives. It has been 15 days since the floods ravaged through the homes and the lives of so many. Rich and poor, none was spared. And as the people slowly get back to rebuilding their lives, the frontline workers at Jan Kalyan Trust, the priests, the sisters, and the lay collaborators, and the team of volunteers from Thane have slowly but surely made a difference. We thank all the members of the Raigad team, the sisters from all around Raigad, the priests from all around the area who have come to assist the team at Jan Kalyan Trust. And we are grateful to all collaborators who have been working together for the good of all God's people. God bless you and thank you.